Bajaj Allianz presents Life Insurance Made Easy. Cash bonus. You invest your hard-earned money for better returns. A life insurance company also works hard to grow your money. When the life insurance company gains profit on your invested money, the life insurance company in turn gives you additional money as bonus. A cash bonus is a type where the bonus is paid out to you immediately. Unlike other types of bonuses offered by life insurance companies, cash bonus is paid to you immediately, as early as next month. Cash bonus in your hand means immediate liquidity to achieve your life goals. Get insured and get your life goals done.
समझो हो गया